Kok Aatap Ka Cham Aatap Cha.
This is what you are going to learn today. Warning: this video contains some important notes to remember. So please watch this video without skipping to avoid mistakes when writing and reading in
Meitei Mayek script.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this video, you will learn how to form syllables by combining
Mapi Mayek
and.
Cheitap Mayek.
If you don't know
Mapi Mayek
and,
Cheitap Mayek.
then please watch this video first. So, let's start learning.
Number 1. Mapi Mayek plus Aatap. Kok Aatap Ka Cham Aatap Cha. Lai Aatap La.
Note: there are some words such as
Karan Rabi Tomba.
in which we add the letter A while writing in the English alphabet. But we should not add
Aatap
to these words where the sound of
Aatap.
is silent, because it will produce a different sound like this. Let's take the word Karan as an example. If we add
Aatap
to the syllable
Ran.
of the word Karan, then it will become Karan. So, you should add
Aatap.
depending on the sound of the syllable.
Number 2. Mapi Mayek plus Inap. Kok Inap Ki Cham Inap Si. Lai Inap Li. Number 3. Mapi Mayek plus Yetnap. Kok Yetnap Ke Cham Yetnap Che. Lai Yetnap Le. Number 4. Mapi Mayek plus Unap. Kok Unap Ku Cham Unap Chu. Lai Unap Lu. Number 5. Mapi Mayek plus Onap. Kok Onap Ko Cham Onap Cho. Lai Onap Lo. Number 6. Mapi Mayek plus Sounap. Kok Sounap Câu Cham Sounap Sâu. Lai Sounap Lâu. Number 7. Mapi Mayek plus Cheinap. Kok Cheinap Cây Cham Cheinap Chày. Lai Cheinap Lay. Number 8. Mapi Mayek plus Nung. Kok Nung Căng Cham Nung Sằng. Lai Nung Lăng. Number 9. Uses of the letter apun.
The letter apun is used in those types of syllables where two consonants and a vowel join together, such as
Tra, Tre, Pro, Pre.
Let's take an example in
Meitei Mayek script.
to understand it better.
Pa, apun, rai, onap, pro.
That's all for today. Practice combining the rest of
Mapi Mayek
with
Cheitap Mayek
to improve your skill of Manipuri language speaking. Please share this video if you find helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.